So today we are going to be talking about geometric construction. So we have a point. So a point is an exact location in space. So we denote it with this kind of, or you can add that, okay, a particular point A is, so you can write it in this format. Then we also have a line. This is a straight path through 2 points. So when you have 2 points, 2 locations in space, the line that passes through those, a straight path through the 2 points is a line. So in a line, you will notice that it does not have what? End in both directions. So it continues at both ends, and it's always denoted as this. So you can write ABN with arrowhead on top. That's the denotation of the way we can denote a line. But there is a difference between a line and a line segment. The line segment is a part of a line that has 2 endpoints. So we have a certain endpoint C, a certain endpoint D. So, and we always denote it with CG. A ray is also a type of line, a part of a line, and that has only one endpoint. You can see the one endpoint here, we denote it by A, and it continues to L. Then this one, there's no endpoint here. So a ray is a line that has only one endpoint, the other one goes without an end in the other direction. So we denote it with AF with an arrow headline on it. So let's quickly look at the types of lines. We have the thick continuous line, and this is used for visible outlines and edges. Whenever you draw your diagrams and after you have constructed, this is the type of line you use to give out the image that you have drawn, to show it out, to make it visible to whoever is viewing it. So a thick continuous line is used for visible outlines. We also can see the difference between a thick continuous line and a thin continuous line. A thin continuous line can be used for dimension lines, construction lines, arching, projection lines. So these are the uses of thin continuous line. We also have thin short dashes. You can see these are short dashes, and they are used for hiding outlines and edges. Hidden outline, because in some diagrams, some of these diagrams may not show the whole, some hidden parts, maybe a cutout part in the diagram. So we make use of the thin short dashes to represent such parts. Then another one, we have the thin chain line. The thin chain line, you can see a thin chain line. So we have one long, one short, one long, one short. This is thin. So is this for center lines and extreme positions of movable parts, the part that can be moved. So you have another type of line is the thick chain line. Thick chain line, you can see it. This is thicker than the thin chain line. So this is used to indicate surfaces which must be of special requirements. Surfaces which must be of special requirements. There is also another line we need to know, that's thin ruled line with short zigzag. Thin ruled line with short zigzag. And these are used for long break line. We also have the arrow edge. That's a thin continuous line with arrow edge. And these are used for the end of dimension line. So when you draw your diagram, after finishing the diagrams, you need to put the dimension lines, and it's always with arrow edge to show the length of what you have drawn. Then the last one we will be discussing today is the thin continuous wavy line. Thin continuous wavy line. These are used for irregular boundaries. There are sometimes that some boundaries that they are not certain, they are not regular, or maybe they are short break lines. So we make use of the thin continuous wavy line to represent them. So all these lines we'll be using in our construction, in our geometric construction, In the next class, we'll be talking about bisection of line. So if you have understood the different types of lines, we need to talk about how to bisect a line. So have a wonderful day.